So you know where I am? See yourself. We just got off from that ferry, and the experience was very bad. We could not see anything outside of the ferry. It was all dark windows. So I won't recommend anyone to sit in these private ferries because they won't let you sit on the deck. But anyways, bookings have been made, so we have to bear with them. But yeah, it's learning for next time and for you guys. So we have reached the hotel, and to our surprise we have swimming pool with no water in it. We have been told that due to water crisis, water is not there in swimming pool. But this was kind of expected based on our trip going so far. Yeah. Hanuman is sucking till now. Let's see how are the beaches here. This would have been nice, but swimming pool is not. 1 तारीख से बंद होगा. But we got scooters.
इधर बीच में वाला सही बंद होगा.
We reached Havelock at around 9 AM. First thing we did after reaching Havelock Island was to rent a scooter. Scooters are available just outside the jetty. We got to our hotels on scooters only. And then after checking into our hotel, we went out to fill fuel in our vehicles. There is only one petrol pump on the island, which closes at 5 PM in the evening. Petrol pump was halfway to the Radhanagar beach from the jetty. This way, we got to explore the island right away. We spent our afternoon inquiring about the various activities that can be done on the Havelock Island. So we were in Havelock Island for 3 days, and plan was sorted. Every morning at Kalapathar beach and every evening at Radhanagar beach. Afternoons were to be spent on Elephant beach and some water activity. This video is all about the evenings we spent on Radhanagar beach. Havelock is a beautiful island with greenery all around. We were here in month of January, so little effect of autumn could be seen. Roads were good and it was fun driving around the hilly terrain of the island. Pretty excited for Radhanagar beach, we left early in the evening. We were going to swim in Andaman Sea for the first time ever on this trip. So this is Radhanagar beach. Finally we are here. You might be surprised what is that black stuff at the back. It turned out it was the effluent from the nearby resorts. It is so sad that we are not able to take care of one of the Asia's best beach. It's really pathetic. It is a little bit crowded, just like Juhu beach or something. But it's very beautiful, very beautiful. So right now it's around 4 PM. And we are going to be here till evening, hopefully. Radhanagar beach was amazing. It has a wide and long shoreline of white soft sand. So this is Radhanagar Beach, guys. Now it's time. It's golden hour to take photos. I just cannot explain the feeling of being there. We had a lot of fun swimming. Swimming is not allowed after sunset, but you can stay on the beach for a while. Far from city lights, a very clear night sky can be seen here. We plan to capture the night sky in coming days. We took a lot of photos and spent some chill time on the beach. We missed our morning alarm today and therefore we could not visit Kalapathar beach. Instead, we went to Elephant Beach via the Elephant Beach trek. We were back from the trek at around 3 pm. We had our lunch and then straight away we went for Radhanagar beach. As Andamans is very east of the Indian mainland, sunset occurs early as per the Indian Standard Time. Same applied for sunrise. So during our visit in January, sunrise time was 4:30 am and sunset time was 5 pm. So you should leave at least 2 hours before if you want to swim and then relax on the beach. Way to the Radhanagar beach is very beautiful and fun to drive. There are government operated wingers that run on Radhanagar jetty and Kalapathar to jetty route. Elephant Beach trek starts from a point which is on the jetty to Radhanagar beach route. But I think having our own vehicle is better option. This is the only state-owned petrol pump on the island. We made sure that we are always full. Radhanagar beach has these giant trees of sea mohua, which makes the beach very serene. These trees are as high as 150 feet. It's day 4 and we are again at Radhanagar beach because it's so amazing beach. You can see place is so amazing. I just cannot tell. I would like to be here every day. Can't believe it. Really amazing. Really very amazing. Swim, run, rest and repeat. That became like our daily chore at Radhanagar beach. And of course, taking photos and videos. Spending time here really had a healing effect. Every wave takes away the heat from the body, takes away the stress from the mind. Every wave leads to calmness. Listen to the sound of the wind. Isn't it soothing? We stared the clear night sky with our eyes and camera. Daily we were in a hurry to get to the Radhanagar beach, but on our last day, we stopped a few of the very picturesque locations along the road to Radhanagar beach. The critical factor here was the time. The golden hour is the best time to take photos, and we had to choose between beach and these exotic locations. We decided to explore these places on our last day, and for that, we left even early from our hotel. Havelock Island, we felt like we need to be at every location between 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. There were many off-road locations that become very beautiful in golden hours. Due to tall trees, the sunlight disappears very fast in these locations surrounded by trees. So one has to come well in advance to have enough light to click photos.
So this is our last day at Radhanagar beach. Tomorrow we are going to Neil Island, and we have been coming this place for like continuous 3 days because this place is awesome. You can see it's now almost 5:50 p.m. So the bathing time is over, but we can hang around here till night also, and that's why we are planning to capture some night sky photos, because the view there is very good, and sky here is very dark, so we can capture these stars pretty early in the evening, like around 7 and 8. But 7 and 8 here is like 10 of India proper, 5:30 Indian Standard Time, because it's quite far away from India. So let's see what we can capture tonight.
तो यहाँ पे ये क्या है, ये सेनेटल आइलैंड का सेंटर है और ये उसके रहवासी, और ये बैरन आइलैंड है
बैरन आइलैंड को तोड़ना है, कौन
आपको?
पहले तोड़ पाता है?
बैरन आइलैंड को, सेनेटल वाले को नहीं तोड़ना। अच्छा, सेनेटल प्लान है। स्टार्ट करो।
On the beach, we just relaxed and enjoyed playing silly games. And just like that, we spent our last evening at Radhanagar beach. Early days of our trip didn't went well. Port Blair was an average day and Bartang was disappointing. There was a lot of expectation from Havelock Island, and Havelock Island exceeded our expectations. I would recommend one should keep maximum number of days for Havelock Island in the trip.
So total chilling today. No filming, nothing. Just watching and eating.